The state legislature will not defend a recently passed state law that keeps Arizonans from taking video of police doing their job.
The law has been tied up in the courts, and this all but dooms the law from going into effect. News 4 Tucson's Eric Fink joins us tonight with the latest. Eric.
Sean, Monica state lawmaker John KVOA is on a mission to get a law passed that he says centers on police safety. Others take issue with that. And as this law is headed for defeat tonight, a First Amendment attorney has this message for KVOA.
He should go waste his time on somebody else's dime and not the public's dime.
First Amendment lawyer Dan Barr says state lawmaker John KVOA's bill that would make it illegal to record video of police doing their job from within 8 feet is plainly unconstitutional. On Friday, the state legislature said it won't defend the law, paving the way for this law to soon be thrown out.
No governmental body is defending this bill. That tells you everything you need to know about how even people in government thought it was nonsense.
KVOA spent 20 years as a police officer in New York City, and he says he championed this bill to protect officers from distractions in potentially dangerous situations.
Nobody can tell me that there's nothing wrong with walking a foot behind a cop when the cop's engaged in police activity, that's perfectly okay. That's bad, and it should be illegal.
After Governor Ducey signed the bill in July, the ACLU and various media organizations sued, saying it violated the First Amendment.
Being able to film public servants who are engaging in their jobs is an important and constitutionally protected right that we have fought for and will continue to fight for to protect everyone in the state of Arizona.
Somewhere down the line, there has to be a reasonable balance between people's right to videotape police, which frankly they can easily do from 8 feet under my existing bill, and the safety of police officers.
Barr says there's already a law on the books in our state that forbids Arizonans from interfering with police doing their job. He also takes issue with the language of the law.
If I'm taking video of you holding my phone right now within 8 feet, I'm violating the law. But if I'm standing within 8 feet of you and holding up my phone and taking an audio recording of you, I'm not violating the law. I mean, how stupid is that?
KVOA understands the law may be doomed for now, but he says he's not done.
I want this to go all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court, have it affirmed, so every state knows they can do this. I don't want this to be an isolated law that only protects Arizona cops. I welcome them to challenge this, and let's do it. And I'll keep coming back to the drawing board if I fail, because I'm going to get a constitutional way to protect cops.
I don't care how John KVOA refurbishes this bill. It's going to be unconstitutional.
Now the judge has to make one more ruling in this case. The ACLU will be back in court in the coming days asking for a permanent injunction to throw out the law. I'm Eric Fink, News 4 Tucson.